Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get your hands on the blueprints for the advanced battery. It's actually relatively easy to find. It's just a couple different spots strewn about in the wreckage around the Alien Powerplant over here, and I will show you where to find that here today. So we're going to start out at the Research Outpost, which is about 1,300 meters away from the life pod, straight east from the life pod. Once you kind of skim along the top, you'll see this tower, and then you can head straight down, and this human research facility is like the only human thing over here that's mostly intact. So from here, we're actually going to go kind of like 105, 120-ish, past the Alien Powerplant, and then that's going to be where the main wreckages are that we want to explore in order to find what we are looking for. In fact, I'm actually going to tweak that. We're going to go straight east over top of the power plant, just because I think that might be a little bit quicker. It really doesn't matter. It's exactly opposite the research station, on the exact opposite side of the power plant. So you can go around either side. It doesn't really matter. I know my power plant looks a little bit different. You'll get this eventually as you play along the story. Yours will probably still be dark. Don't worry about that. That doesn't really change anything meaningful. So once we get over here, you're going to want to look around for some rock outcroppings past the power plant. You should begin to see them kind of like right now. And we want the one that's kind of over here to the east. Not this tall one, but we want one that's kind of down over here. And we want to follow to wherever we can see some wreckage. So there's a wreckage right here. Sorry, I was confused. This is the one we want, the one that's literally right across from the research station between these two rock spires. And the first one that we want to scan is going to be right here, just kind of chilling out in the wild. First one's right here, the advanced battery. I think this one's split into two, but I can't remember. There's a couple different places you can get it, but you can scan this one for your first piece. And then the next one we're going to want is going to be straight across over here to the northeast, just like right next to the open platform that's sitting on top of this rock ridge. And there should be another advanced battery just chilling out in the open right here on the floor. So go ahead and scan that. There will be some goodies kind of strewn about, including an audio log. So make sure you get this Mantis audio log. And then that's it. You should have access to the new advanced battery. I'm really not that certain how much more powerful that is in comparison to the regular battery, but it's an improvement nonetheless. Same with the entangled power cell that you can find, which is actually inside of this little tower right here. If you zip over here and you go to where this light is, the thing you're looking for is not on the top here, but in fact just down along the side. There's another little platform kind of a little further down that's glowing. Just got to follow this cable up, and you can scan both of the one piece of the enlarged or the entangled power cells right here, and the other piece of the entangled power cell is right here. So you can also grab that one on your way back to base. All right, so once you get back to base, the advanced battery is not terribly difficult to construct, but it does require some things that you'll have to go running around to find, including strong acid, one conduit crystal, and one silver ingot. And similarly, the entangled power cell requires one troilite, which requires you to go to the far acid pits and a quarry area to get a gold ingot, strong acid, and another conduit crystal. So yeah, that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a look at how to get the advanced battery. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.